Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transfer money from PayPal account to your bank account and how to attach the bank account, and next time you can very easily transfer the payment. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start demonstration. On my Mac screen, you can do same process on your smartphone devices as well, but I'm currently using my laptop, and then I will show you how to transfer money in your bank account. So here is my MacBook. I just simply open my PayPal account here. So this is my PayPal account. Just simply put it here, the password. It's case sensitive password. You just simply enter your PayPal account, wait couple of seconds, depend upon the internet. Here is my PayPal account, and look at this here some of the amount is showing on my PayPal account. I won't transfer this amount on my bank account. It's very simple. Some of the all information is available here, and here the amount and showing transfer the money. You can click here the transfer money. After that, look at this here, which currency you want transfer your bank account. Currently my PayPal account, two types of currencies available, Danish krona and US dollar. So I just simply select here US dollar. How much money you want send in your bank account. So I just simply select here 100 US dollar, and here I already connected bank account, but if you want connect bank account, it's very simple. Look at this here, link bank account, and you need to put it here your bank account name. One of the important points come here, you are not able to transfer, like currently I'm living in Denmark and I want transfer money from the Indian bank account. It's not possible. You need to connect your local country bank account number only. So here is bank account name, registration number and account number, and after that you can very easily link the specific account number. After linking the bank account number, the account are showing this one. So my bank is a Sparkassen Bank, is a bank account, detail is available, and if I want transfer 100 US dollars, so no fees, no charge, anything, I can very easily transfer the money. I am receiving 687 Danish krona in my bank account. So after that, I selecting this one, transfer, and look at this, your transferred 600, estimated arrival 1 to 2 days, and after that I am receiving this amount on my bank account. This is a simple process, and look at this here, after transfer the amount, the balance is showing low. So my transaction is successfully done. Definitely tomorrow or day after tomorrow I am receiving this amount in my bank account. So this is a simple process to transfer money PayPal to bank account. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.